Text function converts a value to text in a specific number format. This function has two arguments. In value argument, type value or select the cell reference that contain a numeric value. In format text argument, enter a number format in text form. In value box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In format text box, I want to convert this value in percentage format. Enter quote mark, type 0.0, enter percentage symbol, again enter quote mark. Click OK. Function converts this number in percentage number format. Active this cell, click text arrow button. Click text function. In value box, select this value. Press tab key. In format text box, enter quote mark, enter $sign, enter hashtag, again enter hashtag, type 0.00 because two digits are after a decimal point. Again enter quote mark, click OK. Text function converts this value in currency number format with a thousand separator. Active this cell, click text arrow button, click text function. In value box, select this cell reference. In value box, I want to return current date with specific date format. Type today function. Open bracket and close bracket. Press tab key. In format text box, enter quote mark, type double M, enter slash, type double D, enter slash, type 4Y, again enter quote mark, click OK. Function returns current date with specific date format. Active this cell, click text arrow button, click text function. In value box, I want to return current time with specific time format. Type now function, open and close brackets. Press tab key. In format text box, enter quote mark, type double H, enter ratio symbol, type double M, again enter ratio symbol, type double S, again enter quote mark, click OK. Function returns current time with second. Click in formula bar, press space key, type AM, enter slash, type PM, press enter. Function returns current time with PM. In this way, you can use text function in an Excel worksheet.